Hey guys, Style the Bullseye here with another tutorial for you. This time it's using the Cricut to create this Rae Dunn Inspired sticker for the $5 planter in Bullseye's Playground. So let me show you how I did it. Okay, let's start with supplies you'll need. First, transfer tape, black vinyl, 2 of these Cricut tools. This hanging plant is from Bullseye's Playground for $5, scissors, and a Cricut mat. First, we want to measure the planter. So I have my ruler here, and I just want to see about what length and height we need to make our sticker. So I'm thinking about 2.75 inches. That'll bring it right in between the 2 pieces of twine, and maybe 1.5 inches high will be good. You could make it smaller if you want, but I want this one pretty big. Okay, so we're going to open up our Cricut design space and we'll go to New Project. And once you're in New Project, you want to open up a text box and type in Bloom. You want to go up to the font section, and once you click on System, you can look through all the fonts that you have on your computer that you can use for free. I have downloaded the Skinny font from dafont.com. I can link it for you guys in the description. So I'm going to click on that one. And that is the Rae Dunn font that we all know and love. So since we've already measured our planter, we know that this needs to be about 1.5 by 2.75. So I think that's going to be perfect right there. So before you cut, you want to weld it, otherwise sometimes it'll move all the letters around. And then we're ready to make it. Okay, so once you click Make It and Continue on your computer, you're going to come over to your machine and hit this Open button. And then you want to select the material that you're using. This time we'll be using vinyl. And you put your vinyl on your mat, and then you'll hit this Load button. And then it's ready to cut. So once it's done cutting, you'll unload the mat, peel off your vinyl, and you're ready for the next step. All right, so we are going to take our scissors and just cut off this excess vinyl. And then we're going to peel back the vinyl. And then you're going to take your weeding tool and peel off all right. Now we're going to take our transferred paper and press it down onto our vinyl. And we're going to peel back the paper. I love this transfer paper. Okay, and then we're just going to place it onto our planter. Now it's curved, so it's not the easiest to place, but you just want to start in the middle and slowly work your way out. guys, another Style the Bullseye tutorial is complete. If you liked this video, let us know by clicking that thumbs up and leave us a comment if you have any questions or you're gonna try it. We'd love to hear from you. Please subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching.